I'm back at Thorpe Park and it's my third visit this year. I'm really excited as it's Oktoberfest, so I'll be showing you all the things they've done for this event. Let's launch into this video. So I've just had my temperature taken and bags checked, and now we're ready to go into the park. I'm heading over to the jungle to ride Nemesis Inferno. We've just come off Nemesis Inferno and we went on the back row. If you want an intense ride where you get whipped around the corners, definitely go in the back, it's really fun. They've redone all of the soundtracks at Thorpe Park to make it more of an Oktoberfest feeling. I'm now in the queue for Colossus and it's moving really quickly. I can't wait to ride the coaster. In the Colossus line, somebody has written RMC 2020. Yes please Thorpe Park, we need an RMC. I've just come off a back row ride on Colossus and it was really rough. It was by far the worst ride I've ever had in it. If you don't mind going on your own, go in the fast track zone and then say that you're a single rider and they'll let you go on straight away. I'm so excited for Black Mirror Labyrinth that opens next year. I can't wait to experience it. Lots of flags and signs around the park for Oktoberfest. They're also advertising Fright Night. We're gonna ride Tidal Wave. We're gonna get our waterproofs on and then get soaked. Just came off Tidal Wave and got absolutely soaked. Now I'm gonna eat lunch in a queue. I'm heading over to Swarm Island to ride the UK's only wing coaster, the Swarm. I've just come off the Swarm and it was definitely the smoothest ride I've ever had in it. It was so smooth and I was on the left side. I really recommend going on the left. I'm now going to have a ride on the UK's fastest roller coaster, Stealth.
Place your heads back, face forward and brace yourselves. 3, 2, 1, go!
We've just come off a front row ride on Stealth. It was incredible. I love how they did the 3, 2, 1, go, go, go in German. It really adds to the experience. We're now heading into the Oktoberfest area. Lots of food on offer at the Oktoberfest area. We're now in the queue for Rush. I've just come off Rush and you get so much airtime. I love it when you're at the very top and you're just hanging for a few seconds. I'd really recommend doing it if you come to the park. We're about to have a ride on Vortex. So I've just come off of Vortex and that was an amazing ride. I definitely had the best seat there. We're going to have our second ride of the day on the Swarm. I just came off Stealth and I used this mask so that I could do a blindfolded launch. I put it over my mouth and eyes and it was crazy because I didn't know when I was launching and when I reached the top. I definitely recommend it. I had an awesome day at the park. I did 10 rides in total and the longest queue we waited was Swarm and we had to wait 1 hour. My favourite part of the day was when I did the blind launch on Stealth.